Hello, welcome back to my channel. So on this channel I make DIY, I make wigs, and then I do hair growth videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just so you know, this is the part 2 of this Beanie hat. So if you haven't watched the part 1 of this hat tutorial, please, I'm going to be leaving the link at the end of this video so that you can click on it to get a better understanding of what I'm doing here. So if you watch the part 1 of this video, I stated that I'm going to be grouping this my tutorial into 3 parts, and that is the introductory part, the body part, and then the conclusion part. So in the first part of my tutorial, I did the introductory part of this hat. So I'm going to be continuing with the second, that is the body and the conclusion part in these videos. So in all, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. Stay tuned and watch this video. So I'm going to be starting with my pattern doing. You guys, I need you to take your time. I need you to focus on what I'll be doing in this video, because even if I do a little bit of explanation to what I'm doing, you also need to look at what I'm doing in the video to get a better understanding of what I'm going to be saying in this video. So now that is the last part of the introductory part, and now we are moving on to the body of this tutorial, and the body of this tutorial is going to be the pattern for the hat. I don't really know how I'm going to be calling this pattern, but at the end of this video I'm going to figure out how this pattern is going to look like, and then we are going to give it a name that is going to suit how the pattern is going to look like. So as you can see in the video, this is the starting part of me doing the pattern of the hat. So I'm going to be double crocheting front, back. This is how the pattern is going to be. You're going to crochet from the front, and then you're going to be crocheting from the back. So if you are watching the video very well, when I first put my crocheting needle on the front part to crochet, the next thing I do is to put it at the back and then do the crocheting. So as I said earlier, if you want to get a better understanding of what is going on here, you have to pay attention to the video. So double crochet from the front. You should look at the direction of the needle as well. When you're crocheting from the front, the direction of the needle, and when you're crocheting from the back, the direction of the needle. So do not forget that when you're crocheting from the back, you're also going to pull it from the back, because we want to get the same design in the front at the back as well. So as you continue doing, this is how your design is going to start looking like. So take it from the back and pull it from the back and do your crocheting. So front, back, front, back, front, back. And do not forget, this is a pattern that you'll be drawing. So anytime you miss, you're going to see that your design is going to look different, so it is easy to detect when you make a mistake. So just put it in your mind that what you are doing is front and back, front and back. So just master where your needle is going to pass when you're crocheting from the front, and when you're crocheting from the back, where your needle is going to pass. At the end of this video, you are going to get a clear understanding on what is going on here. Another thing that I also want to teach you is the last crochet. Anytime you're going to be ending with, let's say, a front pattern, you have to know that throughout the process is all going to be end with a front pattern. But if you end with a back pattern, then throughout the process is going to end with a back pattern. And this all depends on the number of chains that you are going to be doing in your magic circle. So with my own heart, I always ended with a front pattern, so I always continue the new line with a back pattern. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. So this is my last pattern, and you can see that I'm doing it from the front. So this is the last part of this tutorial, and that is the conclusion part. With the conclusion part, I'm going to be doing a slip stitch throughout the whole chain. So in a total, I made a pattern of 18. So the body was 18, and the introductory part was 8. So in all, I made 26 chains for this heart. I really wanted this heart to be very long so that I'll be able to fold it. So in a total of 26 lines for this heart. With the last slip stitch, I'm going to chain 2 and then cut my yarn, and then I'll try to hide my yarn. And if I'm looking at the design very well, this is giving more like a 3-3 design, and I'm going to be calling this design the cornrow design, and that is coming from me. I don't know the name for this design, but I'm going to call it the cornrow design because it looks more like a cornrow to me. So please don't forget to check the first part of the video so that you can get the basics of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time passing by, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are my already subscriber, thank you for staying tuned, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.